Collections, the name itself having meaning, collection of so many elements, so many contents, that will be many objects performing different operations by interacting more than one object. So one to many relationships are common. For example, a sale must maintain visibility to a group of many sales line item instances. In object-oriented programming languages, these relationships are usually implemented with the introduction of collection object, such as list or map or even a simple array. It is also a one type of collection object. Java libraries contain a collection classes such as array list and hash mapping, which implement the list and the map interface respectively. The choice of collection class is influenced by requirements. Key-based lookup requires the use of a map. A growing order list requires a list and so on. So this is mainly used of handling the items in particular collection objects. So here, sale, the collection object is new array list. So list of items going to be stored in the particular array list object. That means list line items. So if you handle that particular object, particular items in particular object, that is called line items object. The collection class is necessary to maintain attribute visibility to all the sales line items. So we have to create a array list for that. Order of implementation, classes needs to implement from least coupled to most coupled. So classes needs to implement from least coupled to most coupled, so that we have to create a business concept or payment concept, payment structures like that. So example, possible first class to implement are either payment or product description. Next are class only dependent on period implementation, product catalog or sales line item. So more than one, least coupled or most coupled, like that we have to develop the system. Order of implementation. So first one is payment amount. Second one is product description text, price, money, item ID. Third one is product catalog. Fourth one is sales line item quantity, integrate, get subtotal. Fifth one is again complete the sale, date and time, become complete, make line item, make payment, get total. Sixth one is register, end sale line item, enter item, make new sale, make payment. Seven one is store the address and text of the name and then add the sale. So like that we have to order a particular POS, point of scale system. How to design make a new sale. ஒரு புதுசா ஒரு சேல்ஸ் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா எப்படி உருவாக்குறது, சீக்வன்ஸ் டயக்ராம்ல சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. ரெஜிஸ்டர், மேக் நியூ சேல் கிரியேட் பண்றாங்க. சேல்ல வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா கிரியேட் லைன் ஐட்டம்ஸ். லிஸ்ட்ல வந்து சேல்ஸ் லைன் ஐட்டம் ஏன் லிஸ்ட்ல போட்டிருக்காங்கன்னா ஒரே ஒரு ப்ராடக்ட் வாங்குறதுக்காக போறது இல்ல, n நம்பர் ஆஃப் ப்ராடக்ட்ஸ் வந்து பர்ச்சேஸ் பண்ண போறோம். ஸோ அதனால லிஸ்ட்ல வந்து ஒன் பை ஒன்னா ஆட் பண்ணிட்டே வரும். ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் த வே ஆஃப் கிரியேட்டிங் எ மேக் நியூ சேல். So enter item, it is very easy. Already we saw this. Enter item, item ID and quantity. So if you entered any one of the item in that particular system, we have to do this process. Then that particular item description we need to mention. Then get item ID. After we have to make the line item particular sale, create a sale, description and quantity. After add that in particular line item list. After get the subtotal, overall total. So get total is sales line item, get subtotal. Loop, it will be continuously looping because line item if it is add, again need to process the subtotal. So that process is up to end the line item. It will be continuously executed. After end of the line item, it will produce price of the total price, get price. After total, get total will be displayed. So make payment and get balance. For example, make payment means make payment cash tender, register ask, make a payment to sale, create a cash tender payment. After check the balance, get balance, amount equal to get amount, after get the total. So finally finish the balance. Next one is end sale. After cashier give the bill to register, become complete, yes complete, it is true, it will be end the sale. This is the Java programming to develop a class payment, class money amount, public payment, money cash tender, amount equal to cash tender, get amount and return the particular amount. Product description. So product description needs item ID, money price, description of the particular item. So this will be going to be a what? Constructor. When you call the three items, pass the argument value of particular parameter. It will be initiate after substitute in the particular line item in that particular list. Product catalog. Suppose if we entered item ID equal to 100, item 2 equal to 200, price equal to 3, like that, it will be substituted in particular constructor itself, each and every object itself, it will be substitute. After calling the particular product description constructor, we work together. So finally, sales line item. So product description, integer quantity. The sales line item having description and integer quantity. So it will be initialized the constructor oriented. When you pass the argument at the time, the parameter will be initialized and then initialize this operator. After initializing, we get the money particular get subtotal. It produces the overall total amount. The current sale, class sale. Here only creating a sales line item, new array list. After date equal to new date, complete or not, it will be a true or false. Payment. The payment is received. If it is true, it will be complete. Otherwise, it not complete. Make line item, product description, integer quantity. Line items add new sale item, description and quantity. So total overall money total, new money subtotal equal to null. The same way for loop up to line item ends, it return total. So class register only create a new cell. Using the new cell only, we can select the particular items in particular cells. So after need to store the register address or catalog, product catalogs.